When we moved into our new room, I decided I wanted small table lamps instead of the wall lamps we had in our old room. We had one small lamp already, and I wanted to find something the same size for the other side of the bed. It didn't need to match, but I wanted the size to be similar. After spending months looking with no luck, I spotted this vase on sale at Walmart. It was exactly the right size vase I was looking for, so I bought it with the hopes of turning it into a lamp. It ended up being an easy project to do. For this project, you're going to need a vase. I found this on sale at Walmart. It looks like they're still selling them, but not on sale. A lampshade, mine is from Target and is $10. Those are linked below. You're going to need a top that fits your vase. Mike made this one for us from wood because he's handy like that. But jar lids are something that could work for you. This jelly jar lid is a perfect fit for this vase, so try out some different size jar lids for your vase. Then you'll need a light socket, a threaded lamp pipe or rod with the nuts, and a cord. You can buy these parts as a kit or separately. We had just taken apart an old DIY lamp and we're reusing the parts from that. We started off by measuring and marking the center of both the lid and bottom of the vase. Drill a hole in the lid using a drill bit that's big enough for the threaded pipe to fit. For the bottom of the vase, Mike used a step drill bit to drill the hole. Thread the lamp pipe into the light socket, then insert the pipe into the lid. Mike had a nut on the pipe, but you don't need that, so just ignore it. Slide the pipe through the hole in the bottom of the vase, tightening the lid. Mark the pipe, making sure it's long enough to stick out just past the base of the lamp, long enough to screw a nut on. Remove the pipe and cut to length. Mike used a hacksaw for this, and I didn't get that part on video. Once it's cut to size, slide it back through and tighten the nut onto the end. Next, we took the light socket off the lamp pipe, then threaded the lamp cord up through the pipe. Next, Mike split the wire and stripped each side of the wire in the cord, and then twisted each of the wire ends together. Twist apart the light socket. Then feed the cord through the light socket base. Thread the light socket back onto the pipe. Tie a knot in the wires so they won't pull through. Loosen the screws on the socket a bit and wrap the wires around the screws on each side, and then tighten the screws. Place a piece of electrical tape over the screws and fit the socket down into the base, pulling the wire from the bottom. Screw the top part of the socket back on. To give room for the lamp cord coming out of the bottom of the vase, we attached cabinet door bumpers to the bottom. This gave it just enough room for the lamp to sit level. Then we just put on the lampshade and put in the bulb. And let there be light. That's it for this project. I'm so happy with the new lamp, and it's a perfect fit for the bedroom.